Are you tired of hobbies just being a pastime? What if I told you that your hobbies could fatten your wallet while you have fun? Imagine turning your passion into profit, where every moment spent on your favorite activities is a step towards financial freedom. Today, I'm here to unveil 6 hobbies that can bring in cash while you enjoy yourself. Say goodbye to the notion that hobbies are just for leisure. But before we get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying, "I subscribed." We at Cash Summit Squad will try to personally reply to your comment. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the exciting world of lucrative pastimes. Number 1. Baking. Turning sweet treats into cash. Are you a culinary maestro, whipping up delectable delights that leave taste buds tingling with delight? If so, it's time to consider turning your love for baking into a profitable venture. The bakery industry in the US is thriving, with small bakeries generating billions in revenue annually. While starting your own brick-and-mortar bakery may seem daunting, there are alternative paths to success. Consider showcasing your baking skills at farmers markets, flea markets, or craft fairs to attract customers and establish your brand. Additionally, the digital age offers endless opportunities for aspiring bakers to showcase their talents. Platforms like YouTube allow baking enthusiasts to share their recipes, techniques, and creations with a global audience, potentially turning them into influencers in the culinary world. Whether you dream of owning your own bakery or prefer the flexibility of freelancing, baking offers a sweet opportunity to turn your passion into profit. So preheat that oven, dust off your apron, and get ready to transform your sweet treats into cash. Number 2. Brewing beer. Crafting liquid gold for profit. Are you a beer enthusiast with a knack for crafting unique brews that tantalize the taste buds? If so, your passion for brewing beer can become a lucrative venture in the booming microbrewery industry. While the journey from homebrewer to professional brewer may seem daunting, the rewards are worth the effort. Starting your own microbrewery allows you to showcase your creativity and share your love of beer with a wider audience. With gross profits ranging between 74% and 92%, the potential for success is substantial. However, navigating regulations and securing permits can be challenging, requiring careful planning and dedication. Alternatively, aspiring brewers can capitalize on the growing demand for craft beer by teaching others the art of brewing. Hosting brewing classes or workshops not only generates income, but also helps establish your reputation as an expert in the field. Whether you dream of owning a brewery or prefer the flexibility of freelance brewing, there's no shortage of opportunities to turn your passion for beer into profit. So raise a glass to entrepreneurship and start crafting liquid gold today. Number 3. IT expertise. Transforming tech savvy into cash. Are you fascinated by the inner workings of computers and technology? Your passion for IT could be your ticket to financial success in a rapidly evolving industry. With a high demand for IT professionals and an expected growth of 400,000 job openings per year, there's never been a better time to monetize your tech skills. Whether you're a coding prodigy or a networking guru, there are numerous paths to profitability in the world of IT. Freelancing offers flexibility and autonomy, allowing you to choose your projects and clients. Alternatively, pursuing a full-time career in IT provides stability and benefits, with opportunities for advancement and specialization. For those with an entrepreneurial spirit, starting your own IT business can be a rewarding endeavor. From software development to cybersecurity consulting, the possibilities are endless. By leveraging your expertise and staying abreast of industry trends, you can transform your tech savvy into a lucrative career. So dust off your keyboard, update your resume, and embark on the journey to turning your IT passion into cash. Number 4. Artistic endeavors. From passion to profit. Do you find solace in the stroke of a paintbrush or the sculpting of clay? Your artistic talents hold the key to a world of opportunity where passion meets profit. Whether you're a painter, sculptor, or illustrator, there are endless avenues to monetize your creativity. Selling your artwork through exhibitions, art fairs, or online platforms like Etsy can provide a steady income stream while allowing you to share your creations with the world. Additionally, offering commissions or licensing your art for merchandising can further expand your revenue potential. But the journey to artistic success doesn't end with selling your work. Teaching painting classes, providing critiques, or investing in art that may appreciate in value are alternative paths to profitability in the art world. By nurturing your skills, building a brand, and exploring diverse revenue streams, you can transform your artistic passion into a sustainable and rewarding career. So pick up your tools, unleash your creativity, and let your artistic endeavors pave the way to financial success. Number 5. Pet care. Caring for furry friends for cash. Are you an animal lover who finds joy in the wag of a tail or the purr of a contented cat? If so, your passion for pets can become a lucrative venture in the booming pet care industry. From dog walking to pet sitting, there are numerous opportunities to turn your love for animals into a profitable business. Platforms like Rover make it easy to connect with pet owners in need of reliable and trustworthy care for their furry companions. Building a stellar reputation and providing exceptional service are key to attracting clients and building a thriving pet care business. For those with an entrepreneurial spirit, starting your own pet care service can be a rewarding endeavor. With low startup costs and flexible hours, it's a great option for animal enthusiasts looking to turn their passion into profit. So whether you're walking dogs or cuddling cats, pet care offers a fulfilling and financially rewarding way to spend your days. Number 6. Exploring unique paths to monetization. Not seeing your hobby on the list? Don't fret. There are still plenty of creative ways to turn your passion into profit. Whether you're into niche hobbies like kite flying or video game racing, or have a unique skill set that doesn't fit into traditional categories, there's a path to monetization waiting for you. Consider the gig economy, where you can offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or TaskRabbit. Alternatively, explore opportunities to turn your hobby into a career by seeking out niche industries or specialized roles. Becoming an influencer in your hobby's community is another viable option, allowing you to share your expertise and build a loyal following. And if entrepreneurship is more your style, don't hesitate to start your own business and carve out a niche in the market. With creativity, determination, and a willingness to think outside the box, you can transform any hobby into a profitable venture. So don't be afraid to blaze your own trail and explore the unique paths to monetization that await. In this fast-paced world, finding joy and financial stability can feel like a challenge, but by embracing hobbies that double as income streams, you can achieve both. Whether it's baking, brewing beer, or caring for pets, there's a path to profit waiting for you to explore. So why wait? Take the leap, monetize your passion, and unlock a future where your work is your joy, and your joy is your work. To explore further into our top recommended approach and reveal the ultimate strategy for quick cash flow, just click the link in the description below. Let's accelerate your path to financial success. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on turning your passions into profits. Until next time, happy hobbying and happy earning.